Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2007 Triumph Rocket 3. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Triumph. And this is HPI clear. What we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll go all the way around the bike. Get a good close look at the condition. It's got all the Triumph protective shields on this. It's got the side ones on. It's got the hand guards on. And the big screen at the front. Let's get a look at this front wheel. It's got the nice big chrome radiator cover on it. Let's get a good close looking at the engine on it. Does have the leather panniers on it as well. Nice smooth delivery from the shaft drive on this. Also has the backrest and the luggage rack on the back. And it's also got the leather tank protector with a small pouch on there as well. Let's get a good look at it from the back. Let's move around and see if we can get looking at the brake at the back. It's got the big chrome silencers on as well. Look at the tank there on that side. And we'll finish up at the front wheel on this right hand side. So what we'll do now, we'll go and take a look up at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's get a look up at the controls. So you've got your front brake, which is reach adjustable, the throttle, kill switch and the starter. And if you move over to the side, you've got the clutch, again reach adjustable, lights, indicators, horn. You've also got a switch here for your heated grips, so there's two settings on there. Let's turn the ignition on, let's get the mileage off it. And it's done 23,438. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close-up, we can do that for you. Send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available. and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.